Hello, hello, hello. Autoimmune prepper here. Have no fear, I'm still here. Well, today I am doing a balcony garden update. I'm going to show you how many potatoes have produced in this grow bag. So, fingers crossed. And I'm just going to show some tomato growth. But before I get started, I got to ask for those thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and take the time to hit that subscribe button. And as always, I welcome comments down in the comments section. I know I've been away for a moment, but I'm back. I'm here. So here's an update. This is a tomato bucket. So still waiting on some tomatoes to grow. Over here, this is a blonde bell pepper. I see some flowering going on, so we'll see what happens there. Over here, I have a beautiful cabbage growing. So I'm just waiting for the cabbage to finish forming there in the middle. On the outskirts, this is a broccoli plant. So we're going to wait for the broccoli to produce. Over here are my carrots. I'm going to be pulling these out, seeing what kind of carrots we have going on. Actually, let's see what's right here. Because the other ones I've been growing out, they've been pretty short and stubby. So let's see what's happening here. I feel like this one is a short and stubby one also, but let's see. And it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's see this next one. Let's see. Yeah, guys, I don't know what happened with the carrot thing. But anyway, I'm going to try it again in this same soil. I'm going to plant some more carrot seeds and see if I can get bigger carrots. Now here, I have a tomato. I'm still waiting for it to finish turning red. But out of this whole plant, only one tomato grew. So that kind of sucks. And this is a Cherokee purple brand tomato. Anyway, this tomato plant, plenty of little tomatoes. I'm just waiting for them all to turn red so that I can pick them and eat them. There's one red one here. So, plenty of them. I just need them to turn red so that I can eat them. Okay, this one has plenty of red ones. So I'll pluck a few of them off to have for lunch or a little snack. Now, anyway, without further ado, let's see how many potatoes we have. Now, first time, you guys, so let's see. The leaves are all nice and brown and everything. So I'm going to turn the bucket over. My assistant is helping me film. Ready? Okay. Okay, you guys. Even if I don't like the outcome, I'm not going to delete the video. I'm going to still share the video. Because we're learning, right? This actually has a little pouch on the side where you can harvest from. So far, I'm harvesting dirt. Okay, let's stop playing with this. Let me turn it over and see. The reason for the bag is because we want to keep our dirt and reuse it. You didn't start all over, did you?
No, it's already pressed play.
Huh?
I think that's play.
You playing?
Yes.
Okay. I hope these aren't just the, oops. Oh, there's a potato. Now, I started these with seed potatoes. So, you have to like dig for gold. Okay. Goodness gracious. Let's see. What did I yield? Now, I don't remember the month that I started this. So I'm not able to tell you how long it took for me to get. Ew, got all on my toes. Now, I don't know what this is, but it's a blank potato. Look like this was starting to be a potato. Okay. So let's see. Here's my little bucket. Okay, here's a potato. One. Yeah. I have got to get this down packed or we'll be starving around here. But looks like I don't think this one has got a little green on it, so I'm not sure. But let's see. Okay, a couple of more. Oh, there's a lot of little ones on here. Ooh, ooh. No, we don't want that one. Yuck, look at that. Ooh, disgusting. I don't know what happened there. But whatever didn't fully form can definitely... Oh, here's a little one. Go into my little compost bin. How many minutes is on there?
7.
All right. I don't know. I think that's too little. Here's a little red one.
Let me get that big one.
Okay. Ooh, look at this one. This one's nice. I did pretty good, you guys. First time potato grower. That's another bucket right here of potatoes. So as soon as that one develops, I'll be showing you guys the harvest from that one. Prince is mad. He wants to come out here and get into everything, but he can't. All right, let's see what else. So a bunch of little ones. Not sure what's up with that. Why that is. Ooh, look at this deep dark purple one. Another one. Here's another blank one. I don't know what's up with that. Oh. Yeah, you gotta make sure you dig in here. Look at this. Digging for gold.
One by your foot. Huh? Just one by your foot. By your foot.
Oh. Here's one. Yeah, I don't know what happened with this one. That's kind of yucky. Ew. All right, let's see what else we got. What else? Yeah, this one is rotting. So maybe I let them sit too long. So some started to rot. Not really sure. But, oh yeah. Okay, let's see. Is it? Is that all? So I can't wait till the next harvest is ready. So I got some good soil here. I'm going to spruce the soil up, probably some peat moss. I probably need to order some more black cow and get ready to start another harvest of potatoes. So I think that's it, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this harvest video of potato. Yeah, that's another rotten one. So in the comment section, let me know what you think. This is what we have. Huh. Okay. Not too big, but they were a smaller breed of potatoes anyway. This bucket over here are russet potatoes, so maybe I'll get bigger potatoes. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, don't forget to comment in the comment section. And as always, I'll keep you guys posted. I do have some zucchinis. I'm sorry, not zucchini. Some squash going on downstairs. I'll show you guys that harvest in another video. Let me see if I can look over real quick. Yeah, I have a prickling cucumber that's growing in downstairs. I have some squash. They're not going to full term for some reason. So I'll have to work on that. But anyway, don't forget, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to wake up and start every day with an attitude of gratitude. See you later. Bye.